Ho, 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 ho.
Today, we are going to ask Maya and Julia what they think about Christmas.
Do you like Christmas and why do you like it?
Because we celebrate Jesus' birthday.
Because we celebrate Jesus when he gets birth.
Money or mommy and daddy? And
Mommy
why?
and Daddy.
Money,
Because I love them.
mommy and daddy, because I love them so much.
Is there anything you don't like about Christmas?
Cookies. And I don't like about Christmas when it's over.
Which Christmas movie do you like the most? The name of the movie.
David and the Elves.
I don't know.
Did your elf arrive this year?
Yes,
Yes.
And how many of them?
2.
4.
What's their names?
Twinkle and Sparkle.
Chippy, Sunshine, Frosty, and Cookie.
Which one is your most favorite?
Both of them.
Chippy.
What did the elves tell you on their arrival note?
Nothing.
To obey my mom.
What would you like to get as a Christmas present?
Gabby Dollhouse.
Gabby Dollhouse.
Santa or Jesus? And why?
Jesus.
Jesus.
Why?
Because it's his birthday at Christmas.
Because
And we love him. And
because
he gave birth to us.
because he gave birth to us and I love
Do you like giving presents or getting presents?
Yes,
giving.
giving.
Why do we give presents to each other?
So we can make the others happy.
So we make the others happy.
Can you sing a Christmas song you really like?
Jingle bell. Jingle bell, jingle on the way.
Jingle bell. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
How do you feel when Christmas is over?
Sad. Yeah,
Why?
because I love Christmas.
Because I really, really love Christmas.
And what makes you happy in life?
With my family.
With my family.